The BRZ went on sale in March 2012 as the Subaru version of the FR sports car developed in cooperation with Toyota. Toyota had made this project public early on, announcing its FT-86 concept in 2009, but the Subaru version was not shown until the 2011 Geneva Motor Show. And even then it was only an engineering display with a transparent body, showing off the chassis layout and the low-mounted engine. However, in this engineering display, Subaru proudly emphasized just how low they could mount their horizontally opposed engine, which they had specialized in for years. They wanted to demonstrate how the lower center of gravity achieved would improve the basic performance of the car. The production prototype was first made public at the Tokyo Motor Show in November 2011. It is virtually the same car as its brother, the Toyota 86, with its 197 bhp engine and 6-speed MT/ORA transmission. The body is basically the same, and the differences are in the front grille and fog lights, as well as details of the interior. Overall, it seems aimed towards a more mature audience than the 86. Same could be said for its driving experience. While the settings of the 86 are designed to allow its driver to slide the car aggressively for fun, the performance of the BRZ is more oriented towards having a milder experience throughout, with firmer grip on the road. As for grade models, there is a competition-based RA, the standard R, and the upper class S model. The R models are sports oriented, while the S tends to be more on the grand touring side. A gorgeous leather and Alcantara package is also available as a special option for the S model.